Hi guys, welcome to our combined science tutorial series. In this video, we are excited to dive into chemistry section covering multiple choice questions from number 15 to number 27. Get ready to strengthen your understanding of key concepts and boost your confidence in tackling challenging questions. Let's get started to explore the fascinating world of chemistry together. In this session, we'll work through questions from number 15 to number 27, providing clear explanations and helpful tips to support your learning journey. And also, ladies and gentlemen, join my combined science evening lessons to explore wonders of science in a supportive and engaging environment. Distance is not a barrier. Wherever you are, you can have the lesson through WhatsApp. Lessons are done every day, Monday to Friday, from 7 to 8 p.m. I provide notes in PowerPoint presentation, revise past exam question papers, providing exam tips as well, just for $10 per month. Let us dive in and make chemistry a breeze. Number 15, the physical property used in fractional distillation is the difference in, we are going to select B as our answer, which is saying boiling points of the liquids. So difference in boiling points is used in fractional distillation. So fractional distillation is the process of separating a mixture of air into fractions according to their boiling points. After liquefaction of air, it flows into a fractionating column where it is allowed to boil. Component with lowest boiling point is going to boil off first, and its vapor is condensed and stored in a separate tank. Component with the next lowest boiling point is collected next, and so on. So for example, nitrogen with negative 196 degrees Celsius is collected first, followed with argon, which has a boiling point of negative 186 degrees Celsius, and lastly oxygen, which has negative 183 degrees Celsius. And then number 16, which of the following piece of apparatus is not used in titration? The correct answer is filter paper. Filter paper is not used in titration, but it is used in the filtration process. Number 17, an organic compound contains 84% carbon and 16% hydrogen by mass. The atomic mass of carbon is 12, and then that of hydrogen is 1. What is the empirical formula of the organic compound? So this is a frequently examined question. It was also in June 2024 Combined Science Paper 1. So it is very important to be able to calculate the empirical formula. The first step is that we are going to write the elements that are present in the compound. In this case, we are having carbon and hydrogen. The next step is to write their percentages. We are having 84% carbon and 16% hydrogen. Then after that, we are going to divide by their atomic masses. Here we divide by 12, and here we divide by 1. So if we say 84 divided by 12, we are going to get 7. And then 16 divided by 1, we are going to get 16. And then after that, we divide by the lowest number of moles, which is 7. So 7 into 7, we get 1. 16 divided by 7, we are going to get 2. So if the figure we are obtaining is below 5, we round down. And if it is greater than 5, we round up. So in this case, we are going to round down for us to have CH2 is our empirical formula. Number 18, which substance in exhaust fumes causes global warming? Our answer is going to be B, which is carbon dioxide. So you should understand that carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas. This means that it causes an effect like glass in greenhouse, trapping heat and warming up inside. Number 19, what is the use of limestone in the blast furnace? We are going to select A as our answer, which is saying to produce sludge. So limestone, composed of calcium carbonate, decomposes and produce calcium oxide, which is then going to react with impurities such as sand in order to produce the sludge. So it is very important to know how to write the equations that occurs in order to produce sludge. So we are saying that we are having the calcium carbonate. It is going to be decomposed into calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. And then this calcium oxide is then going to react with silicon dioxide in order to form calcium silicate. So this calcium silicate is the one that is known as sludge. So the role of limestone is to produce sludge in the blast furnace. Let us move on to number 20. Number 20, given the three metals, magnesium, copper, and zinc, which is the correct order of their reactivity, starting with the least reactive? So you should know what is reactivity series. It is going to rank the metals according to their reactivity, with the most reactive at the top and then the most minor unreactive at the bottom. So the one that is going to be least reactive is copper, followed by zinc, and the one that is most reactive is magnesium. So the correct answer is going to be D on number 20. And then number 21, which set is correct for the conditions of Haber process? So Haber process is the process where we are going to have nitrogen and hydrogen being combined to form ammonia. So you should understand the reaction conditions for the Haber process. Temperature is 450 degrees Celsius, and then the pressure is 200 atmosphere, and then the catalyst that is used is ion catalyst. So according to the multiple choice, the one that is going to be selected as the best answer is B, which is saying temperature of 450 degrees Celsius and ion catalyst. Then number 22, which of the following is not a use of ethanol? The correct answer is ion extraction. In the ion extraction, we don't use ethanol, but ethanol is used in the beverage production. It is also used as a solvent. It is also used as a biofuel. Let us move on to number 23. Oxidation is defined as, the correct answer is C. So the correct answer is B. Oxidation is defined as loss of electrons and also gain of oxygen. So loss of electrons is oxidation, but gain of hydrogen is reduction. Loss of oxygen is reduction, and also gain of electrons is reduction. Loss of hydrogen is oxidation, and then gain of electrons is reduction. So the correct answer is going to be B on number 23. Number 24, iron is obtained from the blast furnace through the reduction process. Which part of the charge is responsible for this process? We are going to select coke as our answer. So you should know that blast furnace produce pig iron from iron ore by reducing action of carbon, which is supplied as coke at high temperature in the presence of fluxing agent. Number 25, which gas is produced when an acid reacts with a metal? And the correct answer is C. When we react a metal and in acid we are going to have salt plus hydrogen. For example, let's say we react sodium plus hydrochloric acid. We are going to have the product is sodium chloride plus hydrogen. This is very important to be able to balance an equation. If you react 2 moles of sodium plus 2 moles of hydrochloric acid, we are going to have 2 moles of sodium chloride plus 1 mole of hydrogen. Let us move on to number 26. Which substance in exhaust fumes causes global warming? So this question was repeated. It was on number 18. The correct answer is carbon dioxide. And then lastly, the diagram shows the structure of an organic molecule. To which homologous series does the molecule belong? The correct answer is alcohol. The alcohol, they are going to have this OH group. So we are going to select alcohols as our answer. This marks the end of our tutorial today on chemistry section revision. In the next tutorial, we are going to cover the physics section from number 28 to number 40. Thank you so much, guys, for following me on this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. Let us meet again on physics tutorial for this question paper.